Hello, welcome to Ball 360 TV. In this channel, we upload videos about NBA. In this video, we will discuss the current team standings, November 2024, and the games to be played tomorrow, November 21, 2024. If you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and press the like button to help our channel grow. The Boston Celtics give Cleveland Cavaliers their first loss of the season, 120-117. Jason Tatum has 33 points, 12 rebounds, and 7 assists, and all the Boston Celtics starters are in double-digit scoring. Donovan Mitchell led the Cavs with 35 points, 8 rebounds, and 3 assists, and Evan Mobley added 22 points, 11 rebounds, and 6 assists. Boston outscored Cleveland 66-30 in three-point line. Brooklyn Nets win over Charlotte Hornets 116-115. Cameron Johnson has 34 points, 5 rebounds, and 4 assists, and Dennis Schroeder contributed 14 points, 5 rebounds, and 12 assists. Brandon Miller has 29 points, 3 rebounds, and 4 assists for the Hornets. Jamal Murray and Michael Porter Jr. led Nuggets past Grizzlies 122-110. Michael Porter Jr. has 24 points, 11 rebounds, and 3 assists, while Jamal Murray contributed 27 points, 4 rebounds, and 6 assists. While Santi Aldama has 28 points and 11 rebounds for the Memphis Grizzlies. Mavericks top Pelicans 132-91. Luka Doncic has 26 points, 5 rebounds, and 5 assists, and Kyrie Irving added 18 points and 7 assists. Brandon Ingram led the Pelicans with 17 points, 5 rebounds, and 4 assists. San Antonio Spurs fend off hard-charging Thunder for the first NBA Cup victory, 110-104. Keldon Johnson led Spurs off the bench with 22 points, 5 rebounds, and 4 assists, while Harrison Barnes has 20 points, 8 rebounds, and 2 assists, and Chris Paul has 14 points and 11 assists. For the Thunder, Shai Gilgeous-Alexander has 32 points, 3 rebounds, and 7 assists, and Jalen Williams added 27 points, 10 rebounds, and 6 assists. The Los Angeles Lakers extend their winning streak to 6 as they beat Utah Jazz 124-118. LeBron James has 26 points, 2 rebounds, and 12 big assists for the Lakers, and Anthony Davis added 26 points, 14 big rebounds, and 6 assists. Lauri Markkanen led the Jazz with 25 points, 8 rebounds, and 1 assist. Let's proceed to the team standings in the Eastern Conference. Number 1 team is the Cleveland Cavaliers, 15-1 record after they lost to Boston Celtics earlier. Number 2 is the Boston Celtics, 12-3 record on their 3-game winning streak. Third is the Orlando Magic with 9-6 record and on their 6-game winning streak. Number 4 is the New York Knicks, 8-6 record on their 3-game winning streak. Fifth is the Atlanta Hawks, 7-8 record. Number 6 is the Miami Heat, 6-7 record. Number 7 is the Detroit Pistons, 7-9 record. 8 is the Indiana Pacers, 6-8 record. Number 9 is the Brooklyn Nets, 6-9 record. And number 10 is the Chicago Bulls with 6-9 record. The 11th team is the Charlotte Hornets, 5-9 record and on their 2-game losing streak. Number 12 is the Milwaukee Bucks, 5-9 record. 13 is the Toronto Raptors, 3-12 record. 14, Washington Wizards, 2-11 record on their 9-game losing streak. And the number 15 is the Philadelphia 76ers, 2-11 record and on their 4-game losing streak. And let us have the team standings for the Western Conference. The Golden State Warriors is back in the number 1 spot after OKC lost their game earlier. Second is the Oklahoma City Thunder, 11-4 record and on their 2-game losing streak. Third is the Los Angeles Lakers, 10-4 record and on their 6-game winning streak. Fourth, Houston Rockets, 10-5 record. The number 5 team is the Denver Nuggets, 8-5 record. Phoenix Suns continues to slide. They are now number 6, 9-6 record and on their 4-game losing streak. Number 7 is the Minnesota Timberwolves, 8-6 record, 2-game winning streak. 8, Los Angeles Clippers, 8-7 record, 2-game winning streak. The number 9 team is the Memphis Grizzlies, 8-7 record. And the number 10 team is the Sacramento Kings, 8-7 record. Number 11 is the Dallas Mavericks, 8-7 record and on their 3-game winning streak. Number 12 is the San Antonio Spurs, 7-8 record. 13 is the Portland Trail Blazers, 6-8 record and on their 3-game winning streak. 14, New Orleans Pelicans, 4-11 record, 2-game losing streak. And the number 15 team in the West is the Utah Jazz, 3-11 record and on their 3-game losing streak. And here are the games scheduled tomorrow, November 21, 2024. The New Orleans Pelicans, led by Brandon Ingram, will play the very hot team of Donovan Mitchell and the Cavaliers in Rocket Mortgage Fieldhouse at 8:30 a.m. Nikola Vucevic and the Chicago Bulls will try to continue their momentum against the struggling Bucks led by Giannis Antetokounmpo in Preserve Forum at 8:30 a.m. Pascal Siakam and the Indiana Pacers will play Alperen Sengun in the Rockets in Toyota Center at 9 a.m. Jaren Jackson Jr. and the Memphis Grizzlies will try to gain momentum against Paul George and the 76ers in FedEx Forum at 9 a.m. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander will try to end their 2-game losing streak against the visiting Portland Trail Blazers led by Robert Williams III in Paycom Center at 9 a.m. The New York Knicks, led by Karl Anthony Towns, will try to extend their 3-game winning streak as they visit Devin Booker and the slumping Suns in Footprint Center at 11 a.m. Trae Young and the Atlanta Hawks will try to score a win against the number 1 seed in the Western Conference, Golden State Warriors, led by Stephen Curry in Chase Center at 11 a.m. The Red Hot Orlando Magic, led by Franz Wagner, will be at Intuit Dome to face James Harden and the Rockets at 11 a.m. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like to make this channel grow. Thank you very much, everyone.